Hey guys, Cole here, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a player's skin without using their IGN, because if they're a Bedrock player, you're not going to be able to use their IGN because CustomNPCs isn't compatible with Minecraft Bedrock. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is press Windows key plus R, type in app data, press OK, and then go to roaming, go to .minecraft, go to mods, right click on CustomNPCs and open it with WinRAR. If you don't have WinRAR, then you need to install that. And now that we have it in WinRAR, we need to go to Assets, CustomNPCs, Textures, Entity, and then we're here. And then here we're going to create a new folder. So I'm just going to right click, create new folder, and you're going to call it Custom. And then in here, here's where you want to put your skin. Now, I've seen a couple people make a video on something similar to this, and I always see in comments that are saying it's black and purple, the skin is missing texture. Yeah, that's because one, you're either using capital letters or you're using spaces. You cannot use capital letters, spaces, or 3-pixel arms. If you're gonna use a 3-pixel arm skin, you need to convert it to 4-pixel using like a skin editor. So like for example, this wouldn't work. We need to rename it tutorial but lowercase. So as long as your file is similar to this, 4-pixel arms, no capital letters, no spaces, then you're good to go. So next thing you want to do is just drag this into your custom folder, press OK, and now your skin is in here. Next thing you want to do is open up Minecraft. Obviously going to go ahead and open up my forge. Alright, so here we are in our world. All you need to do is grab your NPC wand right here, and then you're going to right click, just like you normally would, and then instead of changing this to player like this, we're going to keep it on texture, press select, press up twice, and then press custom, and then here it is, tutorial.png, and here's the skin. It looks completely normal. So if this tutorial did help you, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.